Today I have another brief box challenge video, or should I say brief box project video, and I thought it again be fun to record my process of how I start from the project and how I finish. I find it super interesting. You guys maybe can get some ideas of how I go about my project, and maybe that will give you guys ideas of how to go about with your projects, right? So the project that I had chosen for today was a typography, or should I say lettering project, because I've been wanting to get into lettering and I feel like I haven't dabbled in it as much as I would like to, so I thought this would be such a fun project. So the project is basically to create a lettering for one of your favorite places or a place that you want to visit. And I thought this would be super fun and super excited. I had so many places that I want to choose from, and there's so many places that I want to visit, but a couple that I want to go to include Japan, Italy, Egypt, Peru. There's so many places that I want to visit. I'm going to be choosing 3 to 4 places and basically design a lettering, and then we'll see how the whole process turns out to look. And if you guys also have brief box, and if you even want to try this challenge out, definitely take pictures and tag me in it. I would love to see your process as well, or at least see your finished products. That would be super cool. Alright guys, let's get it started.